Alright, we are now live. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, Hussein Riz Trader, HRT here. As always, I'm here for what? I'm here to take a look at SPY using the pre-market, take a look at the pre-market action and mark the supply and demand based on where the wicks are at. So, let's get to that right away real quick here. Alright, perfect. So, make sure I have this down. There we go. All right, cool. Let's get right to it real quick. All right, here we go. Market's going to open the next 8 minutes here. That's why we're going to have to get things going here. So here we go, here we go, here we go. Skadoosh. There's a wick right here, and things reversed right here. So let's get that going. Okay. That is just one of my long-term positions, just something to hold. Okay, and this is where the price have reversed today's low today. So this is the pre-market low today. And as of right now, we have this to be the high. So there is not really a wick on the high today. I'm not seeing much of a wicks today. As you guys can see, that it's just a regular, candle. There's no sudden reaction, What I'm also noticing is that the gaps are quite high. So we have a very strong, strong volatility in place today, And look at the movements from here to here. I mean, it's not your typical, SPY candles. After all, we had this run, so I can see why, So we do see that run up from yesterday. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 30 minutes and see what, information we can find in the 30 minutes with regards to wicks. Okay, so on the 30 minutes, there are actually wicks in the 30 minutes. Okay. So there is a little reversal here. The price escaped out of here. Price came down, it swooshed up, and got dropped right back down. But instead of going here, it got stopped over here and then moved up. So finally breaking out of this ceiling. So we'll just go ahead and mark this one. Okay. Very, very good. Very, very good. Let me see here. That is all I see with wicks. So let's go ahead and see if we see any patterns. Oh, we do see pattern. My goodness, this looks nice. Look at this trend up, right? All right. So let's see if we can draw a trend line here. See if that's of any help. Let me just fix it up. Trying to have multiple points touching each other as much as I can. Okay. So tap, tap, tap. And these are just, I can just remove these. Okay, we have a nice, beautiful uptrend here, as you guys can see. Intriguing, isn't it? Let me see if I can move this here. If I move this here, maybe not a strong trend. But overall, there seems to be a little tap in this area, though, for sure. Let me go ahead and extend it out. I'm gonna get as much as I can to tap. Oops. Right about there, yeah. Now let's go ahead and extend. That took a long time. Oh, it's just a label. That's why I didn't extend on the right. Okay, we'll keep that in mind. And okay, let's just go to the daily real quick. Just check that out. See if there's any trend there. I marked it yesterday. I was learning about, chart patterns and stuff like that, just to, revise my knowledge, just to get that going a little bit. But yeah, so we did essentially, let me see here. If you look at this, see what's going on with SPY. SPY is looking to go back to this trend, right? SPY has been in this, so you guys can see here. It's been in this channel here, this trend line, and then broke out of it, came all the way back down, and seemed to have found another trend line to maintain. So I went ahead and marked that. I went ahead and marked that right. As you guys can see, tap, 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 tap. It seems to be moving up. And this is the one that we just drew right now on the 30 minutes. So we know what the daily looks like. We seems to be approaching potentially here. There's a nice hold wick here. Oh, wow. Look at this one. Look at this sudden tap. This is a tap and go, you know? Huh. Interesting. All right. Let us go ahead and go back to the 10-minute and just to gauge it a bit more better. Okay. Very, very good. Okay, so this is what we're seeing right now with our chart today here. Nothing special, just seems dry to be honest. All right, let's take a look at yesterday perspective where the price is at today. So it's well outside of yesterday. So the yesterday's high just before the market closed was about right here. Yeah, so it looks like this is about yesterday's high right here. Damn, what a nice wick here. Look at this candle. I meant to say candle. What a nice candle. Very strong bullish candle. So let's see what that looks like in today's reaction here. Where did that go? I guess he wasn't really much of an attention to today's pre-market. This bullish on top of the bullish candle. There was no, you know, huge reaction. I guess you could say that. Look at this, right? If we extend this out, that's kind of what we would be seeing. Let me extend it out. So I guess it was essentially kind of respected, as you guys can see here. Outside of coming back outside of it. So this is the top of this major candle here, green candle here. This one. I just want to see if, you know, I would have liked to see, you know, like a wick at that level, the price coming back to that level, but nothing. Guess maybe something here finally, but yeah, we can just remove it since it's not really strong for today's price action in the pre-market. Okay, I think we're gonna just keep this. I'm gonna go ahead and just keep this. The market just opened right now. We seem to be cracking at this level here. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh my Weibo so we don't experience yesterday situation. And it looks like we're still am, but I'm still able to trade. It's fine. All right, so we are getting a nice dip here to right here. We could see a potential buy at this level. We're gonna go ahead and buy the VWAP, and we missed the tap. Come on. If we get a push down to that VWAP, I would have loved to have bought in on it. Can we get this? Let's see if we can get in here. Come on, get pushed down before we miss it. Come on, get pushed down. Can we see a push down to the VWAP so we can get in on a call? So market is now open. I repeat. So right now, I'd rather buy here, or if we go outside of here. So I guess this is no longer the high, so I should gotta update this one. So it broke out of it. So this is now the high. Nice reaction here at the VWAP. Oh my goodness, we missed that. Well, not really. I didn't really miss it because I would have liked to have it within the VWAP to buy. I didn't get that chance, and that's all right. So we're right now escaping right outside of here. We could have gotten on that one call right here, but that's fine. I want to see this 10-minute close and have a retest of the high. See what happens. Similar to yesterday, what happened, right? Wow, you broke right outside of the high for the pre-market here. Beautiful uptick here. This is that VWAP retest that swooshed up. So are we able to get in on an opportunity here? Okay. Nice, 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 clean run up. What a crazy opening. Are we gonna have the same kind of opening as yesterday? Crazy opening here. We are coming to this little tap here. So I'm tempted to place a put. That'd be crazy placing a put on this, going against this this candle here. Placing a put on this trend, huh? We're already seeing a little bit of a push down here. Some profit taking is occurring. As you can see, there's a wick on top. So when there's a wick on top, that means sellers pushing it down. So we are seeing some level of profit taking here right now. the price could come back to here. So this is where we're going to be buying our call. All right, here we go. Here we go. Profit taken. Price dropping down, but it's being held up. Still being held up. It's not being right here. You see that? It's not coming. It's not strong enough to come all the way down here. So it's being held up. It's being bought up. So very, very strong candle. Absolutely strong candle. What a beautiful run up there. Okay. All right. Come on. Okay. Nothing special. Yeah, I mean, the prices have been held up, so this got a lot more room to continue going. So I look forward to that retest to here. The price immediately escaped out of the high here. We could have immediately got in, you know, but it just went really fast out. It just exited out. Like, it wasn't like waiting for anybody. It had such fuel here. Absolutely incredible. Look at this. From this tap all the way to here. Wow. All right. Okay, so the price is now getting a little bit of weakening here. Come on. So now the wick's getting stronger. There appears to be a lot of struggle here. More buyers are stepping in to clear it again as more sellers stepped in again. So right now buyers are extremely strong now as they're closing in that wick. Okay, there's a fight here. There's certainly a fight here at this level. We'll see what happens here. We could range from, you know, here to all the way here, and then the next candle open up and could have a retest to here, and that's what we're going to be buying. You can see exactly what occurred yesterday. Take a look at this here yesterday. The opening, right? Take a look at this, right? Nice, nice, beautiful run up, and this was the high for the pre-market. Price dipped down, swooshed up, swooshed all the way up, and this candle closed. I mean not closed, but the range went as high as all the way here. The next candle opened up, went back down to the pre-market high. You see that? Went back down to the pre-market high, and then soof, continued going. So are we gonna see a similar experience today, or is it just gonna continue running up? You know, we're gonna see. We're gonna wait for this candle to close, and if we can get a retest to this tap here, that would be the ideal. That would be the ideal. Right now, the price is not moving outside of here. There's still, you know, sellers here holding here, pushing it right back down. So here we go. Okay, sellers have increased. They're really trying to push it back down. So this is as high as seems to be going, at least right now. So there's a struggle right there. The price could not escape out of here. All right, here we go. The next candle is going to open in the next 5 minutes. So we got some time. Okay, nice push down. Wow. Sellers have increased. They actually got it to push it all the way down. So let me get ready for a call here. I'm going to go ahead and get on one call right now. It's got really tight. Close to that line. Could have got on the other one too, huh? I'll go ahead and get on the other one. Oops, a little too late on the other one. Okay, so now I got a huge, major selling pressure, you know, going against me right now. Here we go. We're going to hold this line. That's the question. Could I have waited until after the close? I got in right now. Oh, we went below the line now. We're below the line. And we're going to go and get in one more. Below the line. Are we going to hold here? Are we going to... Oh, we went all the way below the line. Now we're going to the VWAP. Oh, okay. We're pushing right back up. Pushing right back up. Here we go. See what's going to happen here. It's gonna get pushed right back down below the VWAP. My stop loss, ideally, I probably want to say right here, below this body here. Wow, what a push down! What a push down! Are we gonna see below here? Okay, we are seeing below there, so I'm gonna get one out and get another one out here. Come on, we're gonna hold that VWAP? No, we're not holding that VWAP. Okay, we went ahead and took an L on that trade here as it hit our stop loss. Can go ahead and remove this. Okay, it's holding the VWAP finally. See what happens here. What a push down all the way, all the way. Absolutely funny. Got really pushed down. Okay. There's a battle here. Seems to be wanting to go back up now. Okay, got pushed. Okay. So the VWAP, it's being fought. So the VWAP, it's really trying to hold the VWAP right now. The VWAP is right here. Can we go outside of here? Okay, we seem to be going outside of there. Let me just get rid of this now so we don't need to see this. So the price right now is currently below this high here. So there's, okay, the price coming right back up. Come on. Okay, we got some time for this thing to close here for this 10-minute. See what happens here. Look at the sellers, guys. Look at this. They brought it right back below here and as well as at the VWAP now. It's not, early to take it's not a chance to take call right now because I don't take place calls or puts on VWAP. Okay, the price wants to go all the way back down here, and that's fine. That is fine. Okay, there's a VWAP fight right now happening. Battle happening on the VWAP right now. Here we go. Who's gonna win here? Oof. It's gonna turn back to buyers. I'm tempted to buy the VWAP right now, but that's not my strategy. I mean, look at this level of holdback, push back down. There's a large wick here on the seller side and versus the buyer side here. Okay. Okay, so here we go. That's a doji. Wow. Wow, I'm gonna go ahead and buy right now. Come on. Go outside of it so I can add more. If it goes below the VWAP, I'm out. There we go. Very volatile today. Very, very extremely volatile. So anything below the VWAP, I'll just get out. Like right here, I would say. This will be my stop loss, right? I would say this body is my stop loss. How about that? And then I do want to add more though as it moves outside of this. If it goes outside of this, I would like to see that. So I can add more to it. So I went ahead and added one more here. So here we go. Oops. You guys not even seeing it. Okay, here we go. Nice. My contract's not moving well. It's really not. Someone's up the Weibo. I don't think it's Weibo. I think I know what it is. I'll have to figure that out. I went ahead and took one out just because that nice, beautiful pump here. Okay, got a nice push down back to the VWAP. Look at this candle here. I mean, look at this buyer's pressure, seller's pressure, I should say. Nice push down. Okay, as long as we hold this line, that's fine with me. Right now, the battle comes back down to the VWAP. Here we go. We're just gonna get one out as we've seen that wick again above us. So we could break down here. Okay, we are breaking down. That's fine. Went ahead and got on the put side here now. See if we're gonna see that on the downside. Okay, we got pushed right back down here. Okay. Here we go. We're breaking here, this thing here. Well, I guess I took a put based on where my stop loss was. That's not good of me. Oops. That's why I got to remove these lines. Damn. All right. I essentially place a trade on based on the VWAP. Forgot that line was just a so we could I don't know what's gonna happen in this trade here. We'll see. We'll see. My stop loss anything outside of it. I did place a put just because now I'm seeing another wick in attempt to go back down. So we'll see if it's gonna move back down. Okay, buyers are pushing it up above the VWAP. Gotta be careful on the put side now. Okay, so let's push it right back down to hold it below the VWAP. Buyers are move the price above the VWAP now. Gotta be careful now as the price is now very tight. Looking to turn to green, so I'm just gonna get one out. Come on, are we gonna win the VWAP? Sellers gonna win. Okay, sellers took back the VWAP here. Okay. Buyers are really holding that VWAP as much as they can, but sellers are pushing right back down. So it's a battle here. Okay, now it turns to buyers. Are buyers gonna flip this? Flip this to green? Are buyers gonna flip this to green? That's the question as they're holding the VWAP. Ooh, I'm gonna get one more out just because how much of tight it is on the buyer side. Because I do want to get on the call on this. If he breaks outside of here, that is. If this goes right back down to the VWAP, I'll add more to the puts. But if it's holding the VWAP, that's fine. I'll just maintain one and I'm just gonna ready to exit if it turns green. Come on, do something here. Okay, I'm gonna add one more. Ooh. Buyers are really holding up. Okay. Okay, they managed to turn it green, so I gotta be careful on the put side. And I still think sellers might win. But we'll see. We'll see. It don't really matter. I mean, the trend is up to seeing, it's all green here. So we will see. We'll see. Okay, it's turning green. Let's go. Finally. Come on, do something. Go up that line so I can get the call in. Okay, this is now a call. Let me do something here. I think I know what's up. I think I see why my contract is moving like that. Okay. I'm getting one more call here. Okay, here we go. Now my stop loss, anything below the VWAP. What appears to be right now happening already. Damn. Buyers needs to hold this. Finally. We're moving out now. Okay, here we go. Have the buyers finally cleared the sellers? The price ready to move outside of this? That's the question. Right now we buyers finish off claiming reclaiming the VWAP. Now breaking outside of here, and we got this doji here. Price is nicely moving up right now. Yeah, I don't understand why things are moving like that today for the P&L here. Barely made any money. Don't understand it. Mhm. Okay, got a nice pickup here. Forgot to edit this. I don't know if that P&L, open P&L thing is correct or not. I can't tell anymore at this point based on what's going on here. Nice move up here. We got really tight to this area, so I had to take some profit. But I'm just not sure why we're just barely making money. No, seriously, I just don't understand it. Don't understand it. I mean, I was doing this buying and selling like very tightly. You know what I mean? Like it was like very tight. But yet I was losing money. But then when the price is so upticked up here, and I bought it around here, yeah, I'm barely making money. So someone's up. Someone's up. Very strange. And that's all right. We shall figure that out. Okay, cool. The price not coming right back down here again for a potential call. Is this time gonna hold here? Is the battle gonna be at this line instead of the VWAP this time? That's the question. Now the price got right back pushed down below that line now, the high. So we'll see what happens again. Okay. It's gonna turn red on the VWAP. Wow. Wow, I'm gonna be prepared just to get out. Okay, cool. I got out on the call side just because it's starting to go below the VWAP all of a sudden again. Okay. If I place a put, that means my stop loss would have to be above this line, which is still a huge gap between it. So I'd rather just wait. But then at the same time, I don't want to place a put here too because I'm so tight to the VWAP. But this is really weakening right now. Extremely weakening. So we're gonna see what happens here. If it comes here, we'll go ahead and take a call, of course. But I doubt it though. It might just maintain here. It might just maintain here. It might not even go below here. Oh, nice, nice. We actually did. So let me get on the call side here as I'm preparing for this potential call side. See if we can get a wick back up. Got it on one here. See if we're gonna break that line. Oh wow, we opened below the VWAP. So we could be reversing right in the downside. But because we're above this line, I'm still gonna of course hold the buy until we crack here. And let me see how strong this one is, by the way. Wish I had 2 or 3 right now. This one is just this wick. All right. It's also been, of course, this one too. So we'll see what happens here. We did got another opportunity to add more here. It's getting pushed down. But if it goes below it, we're going to just get out, of course. So here we go. Is this going to go below it? Or are we going to get a push down to here? So if we get a push down to here, I'll be out. This will be my stop loss here. That's the stop loss. Oops. Go ahead and mark it. This would be the stop loss here. Oh my goodness, we got to see that. Okay, come on. Are we going to hold it? We're going to hold it. The same thing that happened here with this figure. We're going to hold it. So right now, come on. We seem to be really struggling to hold that, so we may not hold it. All right, it just tapped my stop loss. Come on. Okay, it's showing the strong buyers here as they're now closing on top of the wick. Good. Are we going to see a VWAP retest? That's the first spot I'm going to be selling. That first VWAP retest. We do get that push up. We're pleased to be getting that push up here. We'll go ahead and cool one off. Yeah, it doesn't make sense, guys. Look at how my contract is moving on the call side. You know, this is a pretty big gap. Buying in here to all the way here, and yet it's only, $5 type shit. Not sure what's up. Not sure what's up. He bounced right on my stop loss. That's funny. We only got one in right now, so. How did he went up? Yo, I'm confused of the P&L right now. How did he went up? All right. You said Tesla rejected 200 on bounce off? Okay. All right. All right, cool. Got a nice move up to the VWAP this time. I'm gonna just go ahead and cool one off right now. I don't even understand why my P&L is like this today. Don't quite get it. It's fine though. All right, cool. Are we gonna see a rejection on the VWAP? As it appears to be right now, there is a wick on it. So we'll see. Wicks forming on the VWAP right now, indicating that sellers are trying to push it down. So we'll see what happens here. You said, what does the gaps mean? Give me a second. Was there a gap today in the opening of the pre-market from yesterday? Let me take a look after this. I don't think we'll experience what I'm experiencing this tomorrow with regards to the P&L, how much is so delayed, and as well as the, I think I know what's going on. I did receive the notification about Weibo for something, so I'm gonna look at that. Maybe that's probably what it is. Okay, so we went ahead and bought our call here following our rule. We bought our call here. We had our stop loss below this, the previous candle that, that was below it, which I said that's kind of my new rule now, so I don't have to avoid that switching. I follow that to the T, and yeah, and I sold it here. But yet I still don't understand how we're down, $33, which is, and also when I had the call here, went all the way here, yet we were barely making money. So, all right, we will figure that out. And it was on 0 DT as well too, so that didn't make sense. Okay, so right now there is a fight here at the VWAP here. Can we place a put here? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and place a put here. I know it's gonna be super risky because you got the VWAP right underneath it. So we're gonna see what happens here. Okay, can we see a push outside of the VWAP? If you get a push outside of the VWAP, you're going against that trend. That'd be crazy. But I'm willing to do that today. It's because of this opening here. Wow, I'm just gonna take one put on this line here. Come on, push up a little bit, get to the line. I'm gonna just get one. Just one. That's following my rule, by the way. But I do recognize what's against me, though, right? I'm gonna go ahead and get in on the one. It's a little too late, though. It's trying to, time it correctly here. Let me get in one more. See if it's gonna go outside of it. Here we go. It's gonna go outside. Is it gonna go outside, or we're gonna start seeing a wick push down? No, it's holding up. Here we go. Here we go. I'm ready to get out, of course, on my puts. I'm not going, I guess I am going against it. Yeah, we're holding really up there, guys. We're really holding up there. So we could just move outside of it like a breeze. Like a breeze here. Here we go. Here we go. If we go just outside of it, I'm out. Fine. We got the wick of pressure, bringing it right back down to the VWAP. Is it going to maintain down the VWAP? This is our puts, and yet this is weird, man. This is absolutely weird. Literally, the price went all the way back down, and our P&L did not get updated. So, someone's up. Someone's up. But I'm not allowing that to bother me right now, so following my rules here. Following my rules here. Come on. Are we going to see the sellers claim the VWAP and push this buyers back to its place? They seem to be doing that, and yet look at that. The P&L still nothing. The price got pushed down all the way here. I'm on puts, and it still shows. Finally showed us something at 10%, but it's like, damn, bruh. Seriously. Someone wants to explain that to me. Let me know. But here we go. So the price got so the wick happened here, right here, as I expected. I'm glad it did happen. So we got to push down to here. So I do got to recognize at least one here. I'm gonna go ahead and recognize just one here, as we got now right back down to where we picked up. So I'm gonna at least recognize one. So are we gonna see a push down below here, or we're gonna have to go right back up? So we'll see what happens here. I did follow my rule in adding this and adding my puts here, because I followed my rule, even though I understood that, you know, I am going against the VO, which is right on me, like literally next to me. So the power of the VO, I don't go against it, because I'm, you know, placing based on, you know, where the wick was at. I understood that that's fine. I don't care what's against me. And I did it. I did it. And it happens to go on my side. So here we go. Are we gonna crack here? Are we gonna crack here? That's the question now. Are we gonna crack here? And if we do, are we gonna add? If I do add, my stop loss is probably gonna be the high of this wick here. You know? But so far, not yet. There's still a lot of buyers are still, you know, maintaining this. So this is still a buy until this gets cleared, of course, right? This level is still a buy until it gets cleared. So right now, it appears to be getting cleared. It is now, the wick is so weak that it is now just literally here. But this is buyer's last defense here, the low here. So buyers can still push this up. You know, as you can see, buyers are pushing right back up. They're pushing it right back up. Very strange day here. Very strange day, isn't it? Okay, maybe I'm not. All right, here we go. So sellers brought it right back down to the buyers. So here we go. Our seller's gonna break this. This is buyer's last defense here. This right here. Right now, I'm comfortable to add a put right now, to be honest, because the level of struggle. I'm just gonna get one in. So I want to see if they can hold below this line. That would suck though. I do have to get one out. They go outside of this wick, which they are doing it. So I do have to respect that. Come on, bring it back down. Yeah, buyers are still doing it. Yeah. So don't buy the put until it's broken, right? Come on, bring it right back down. I'll go ahead and duplicate this. That's the low and this is the high. Well, not the high, but I want to see if sellers can maintain the body below this line, below this wick here. They can do that. You know, my odds of me maintaining a put, it's stronger. But if buyers are pushing outside of it, then it's like, all right. Oh wow, the price opened well below here. Look at that. Ain't that interesting? It opened below this line. Ooh, we went above it. Am I on call or put? Yeah, I'm on puts. Oh, I'm tempted to get one out. Come on, bring it back down. Come on. Good. Oh, I was ready to take it out. I was so ready to take it out. Come on. This is still a call. Buyers are still holding this level. So we got to be careful. This right here, this from here to here, buyers are holding it. Don't underestimate them. Until sellers manage to crack their level, don't underestimate the buyer. So I do regret, you know, I'm just gonna get out. I'm gonna get one out. So sorry. That one put that I had on here, I'm just gonna get out. So and now I do have my put, the one I had over here. So that one I'm willing to leave it. Yeah, I guess I got too nervous, bro. Buyers really did scare me, huh? I guess I didn't need to take that out. But it's fine, I'll just leave that one alone. Yeah, I wish I didn't sell that one. Look at that beautiful push down. Damn. What a gorgy. Yeah, I guess ultimately sellers won. Sellers won this level, yeah. I don't understand why my contract's moving like that. It's weird to me. I mean, the P&L is not, you know, immediate update, so gotta figure that out. Yeah, I wish I sold here, though. Nah, not really, bro. I'm good. I think we might go all the way down here based on what's going on here. Seriously. I think we might just go all the way back down. So let us just sit back, relax, and see what happens with this one contract, how far we can take it to. Whoa, nice. Okay. So we can go ahead and get rid of this. Oh, I guess this would be the high, so we could just get rid of this one now. So now Now this spot has now turned seller, so you can maintain your puts here. You can continue to add puts here. I really wish I did not sell that second contract. I guess your boy just got, phased, which is fine. I'm tempted to add one right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and add that one right now. A little risky to do that. I would have liked to add it like right in here at least. You see that? That's why I was risky. Because I'm also going all this against his wick here. If I knew that, why did I make that decision? Come on, Hussein. Don't get faced by your emotions here. I added to my put, so I do have to be careful now. So I do have that one put that I placed here, and now I added a new put here. So if it goes outside of this line, I'll just have to get out. Wow, we now turned let me get in one in. Okay. Hit the wrong button. Okay, come on. Buyer's gonna push it down. Come on. Sorry, seller's gonna push it down. Very volatile today. Very volatile. Yeah, buyers are holding this level, guys. So I gotta respect that. So I still have that one put here from that's all the way here. So I'll sell that one at a break even. I'm tempted to get on a call right now just because how much buyers pushed it right back up and holding here. This would be a buy. Why am I focused on the put? Why am I so you don't so once buyers lost here, the price got cracked, and now they turned it around. That's when you get on the call side again. So wasn't sure why I was keep thinking about the put side. So I immediately snapped out of it. So yeah, this would have been a call because it switched. So you would buy a call. I did not do that, so that's fine. So I'm still on that one put that I bought over here. So that one I'm ready to take it out of it. But if it goes, I think for that, okay, my stop loss for that one is probably right here. I'm just gonna call it just because of how strong it is. I don't want to be on the put side anymore. So now, I mean, buyers ultimately reclaimed here and now pushing it outside of this body. Like, no, thank you. I'm not gonna be on the, seller side. Whoa, sellers brought it right back down. I'm gonna go ahead and be on the buyer side until that spot starts to give up. Ooh, as soon as I got in, switched to the seller side. Come on, bring it back up. Bring it back up, sellers. I mean, buyers. I'm on your side now. Okay, I gotta be careful. Yeah, it's now the seller side. You gotta. This is hard to decide, but yeah, this is definitely seller side. I mean, look at this. I still gotta be careful here. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Okay, so buyers are holding it, so I'm gonna go ahead and get back on the buyers now. I'll get in one more. It's because they're holding up to here. They're not as weak as before. So I'm getting on a 2. Come on, hold this level. So my stop loss would have to be here then. The low of this one. So that would be my stop loss here. This would be my stop loss. Are we finally gonna move up all the way? Here we go. We'll see what happens here. Is this where the track stops for the sellers? This level right here? Or are the sellers just luring the buyers in? Okay, we're getting that view up. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. They almost managed to get to the view up. Oh, let me get it right back on where it belongs. Oops. Wait for the candle to close. I know. I should have just waited for that. Yeah. Let us wait for this candle to close. You're right, bro. My goodness. It's 10 minutes. Now sometimes I'd be getting a little too impatient out here. So yeah, we do need to wait this candle to close, man. Having the candle close and then doing that retest to this level would be really juicy. All right. We are on the call side finally. Wish I get on the call side a lot more earlier. Yep. Wait. Pull back then tank? So you saying if it comes if it has a pullback, it's gonna tank like right back down? Okay, we got a nice push up to the viewer. I'm tempted to get one out just to be on the safe side. I don't want to go against the viewer just because we're having this, red, and as well as this way. Let me just at least recognize one. Can we at least move this one, see outside of here? Nice, we're holding really tight to the view. Ooh, this is expected, but that's why I sold the view out. This is literally why I sold the view out, this reaction. All right, so we're gonna see here. Your boy GBZ Ninjas, he's predicting that once this candle closes, the next retest to here, it's gonna tank on the downside. So we'll be prepared for either side. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So yeah, this would be our stop loss. You got killed on Tesla, bro? Damn. All right, bro. All right, P. were you on the call side or the put side? Which side did you get? I gotta take a look at Tesla. I stopped trading Tesla, by the way. Stopped trading Tesla for some time. I'll get back on that train for later on down the line once I done with these tests here. Okay, we're holding the view up, so we're still fighting the view. That's one of the reasons I wanted to get at least one out on that view up here. Okay, nice hold here. Okay, come on. So the initial push right back down that the sellers did at the view up got right pushed back up. So you could see a continued move up here, but of course my first sell would be here for that contract. I do have to follow my rules based on where I buy and sell. So I got on the call here, then I'm gonna take the to all the way here and get out. I decided to take one out here because I didn't want to get involved with that fight here. Okay, here we go. Here's that test you're talking about. Candle finally closed. Come on. Damn. So he broke the 200 and ooh. I hope you had your proper risk reward ratio, GBZ. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Is our buyers gonna take over this? Are they gonna move outside? Are they gonna do that? Come on, let's go. What's gonna happen right now with with SPY, right? Sellers has been dominating in the opening, right? I mean, buyers had a sudden momentum. They took that opportunity. They moved it up all the way. Sellers ultimately stepped in and said no, no, and then bam, allowing bam, they closed below the VWAP. I mean, they also closed below here, and now buyers stepped in again to push right back up. And now here we go. This is the fight right here. This is the fight. Well, that will determine if SPY is gonna move up or move down. This battle here at the VWAP, right? We are on our one call here that we captured here. Here we go. Here we go. Is SPY gonna move up and delete these sellers that did this? If that happens, cool. We'll go ahead and we'll sell our, following our rule, we'll get that one contract out over here. Nice! Buyers captured it. I repeat, buyers captured. I'm gonna get one out right now. Boom. Oops. Oh, too late though. Way too late. Way too late. Yeah, we're not doing too hot, guys. I mean, we are doing too hot, but I think just the whole. But we're actually doing pretty well. I shouldn't say that. I'm just trading my rules here. I'm following my rules. Everything is fine. Um, There's nothing that I've broken so far. So yeah, I mean, this spot right here, this is still a put until it's broken. I repeat, this right here is still a put until it's broken. And this is the second attempt. You know what I'm saying? This is the second attempt right here. Here we go. Break VWAP, test your line. What do you mean? Break the VWAP here. You talking about this line right here? GBZ, you talking about this line? The top line, or you talking about the bottom line? By the way, this is still a call. This level is still a call, and this level is still a put until either or gets, nullified, as they say. Disqualified, deleted, replaced. Okay, too much. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Right now, look at the difference right now. Okay, cool. So this right here. So, break the VWAP and test your line the top. All right. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen here. Are buyers finally gonna say, we're escaping out of this and moving out? Right now, this is what the buyers did, guys. They reversed from here. That's quite impressive. Yeah, buyers reversed from here, and now they're claiming, they claimed over this level. They've also claimed the VWAP. Are they now gonna claim this level? This right here is the second line of defense for the sellers. Right here. If buyers break here, this is the seller's last defense. This right here. Here and here. That's it. That's it. So right now, this level is still a put. I'm scared to place a put though, because this is now the second attempt. But it doesn't matter though. It does not matter. You should still place your put until he breaks out of it. Follow your rule. That's exactly what I did to this one. That's exactly what happened. Still the same thing. Yet I'm saying is yet I'm not putting a put. Damn. I think the very fact that how much buyers reverse this. Watching it on 2 minute. All right. So let me know if you see a wick on the 2 minute here. Well, you probably do. I mean, look at this. I'm tempted to place my put right here again. But your boy HRT scared though. Nah, don't be scared, bro. Follow your rule, right? Let's go. Here we go. Is it gonna break outside of it? I'm gonna get in one more put, and now it's breaking outside. And I gotta cool it off. Cool it off. Yeah, I suspect it's gonna break out of it. That's one of the reasons I was scared. But still, though, I just have to at least follow my rule until it's broken. Get on there, All right, cool. It's officially a call now. This spot has officially became a call. I went in and out, so hopefully I didn't really give back to my. Okay, why the heck is that? There's a pop in the 2 minute. Yep. So now it's officially a call. It's officially a call. That level has now turned to a call. I'm gonna go ahead and slowly get in. Ooh. Come on, hold up. I should probably wait until he closes on the top of that level instead of just getting in with the crack. Okay, I should probably get out. Oops. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for some time to for this to sauce up here to see if we can get a close here. This is a major level, guy. This ray is actually a really major level. This is the high. So we can have this candle break here and then close and then a retest. That's what we're gonna buy. But because it's a break, you can still buy, and you just gotta have your stop loss a bit further away, just because it's gonna be so, you know what I'm saying, volatile that level. Until the volatility decreases and showing that there's one side taken over, that's when you want to get in, and that's what I'm trying to do. So I kind of regret getting on that call side right away. Wait for this to close. Let us do that here. You think? All right, come on. Okay, so there's not much of a huge. You see that now on the third attempt. So I wish I shouldn't say I wish. It's fine. I need to make the decision to get out. Now I can get in on the call actually now, because there's less of a back and forth. So we're gonna see if this is gonna be the one that's gonna hold up finally. So my stop loss would be right here, below here. So let me just get this. That's what I'm trying to do here. Come on. Okay, we just went right below our stop loss, so gotta be careful here. So I've now bought a call on that line just because it's not too much anymore. So I'm gonna get in one more. So we could potentially close here. I mean, sellers are still pushing it out. You can see their wick here. You see the seller's wick, right? That's their pressure pushing the price back down. This is probably the profit take from the VWAP, a takeover. So there's some profit taking for sure happening right now. But as long as the profit taking is fine, let it do that. But as long as the price holds above here, there's enough buyers to holding it above here, That's what we need to see. So I'm just getting in slowly just because there's not too much of that switch at that line anymore. You know, it's not dipping too fast. So I'm willing to kind of risk it a bit, kind of see if we're going to hold here. Need to hold this line. Okay, here we go. Can we see him move up to here? Yeah, I'll figure it out after this stream here as to why our P&L is moving like that. Okay, here we go. Can we see it push down? 517.80? Yeah, that's about right here, bro. That's about the wake up here. That's basically what it is. So I mean, I do like the fact that it's holding. You know what I'm saying, bro? Like it's holding. Like it's sellers are not strong enough to push it like really, really, you know what I mean? With force. So that means there's buyer's force holding here. So very, very intriguing fight here today. Very, very intriguing fight. The question is, doesn't matter what happens. Whatever happens, are we on the right side of whatever that decision the market decides? That's what we care about. As of right now, so far, we're in the right side of history, as they say. The market's moving up. We're in the right that direction. Is it going to continue to hold? If it switches, are we willing to switch with the market? That's it. That's it. So this is my stop loss right here. I did bought here because now the price above it, I've been buying it. And I got 2 contracts in, of course. And so here we go. Our seller's going to push this down below this body close here. And look at that. All right, here we go. I might have to get out if it goes below it. So I'm glad it didn't. Here we go. Sellers almost got phased there. Sorry, why am I saying sellers? Got it. Buyers almost got phased over here because sellers almost pushed it below here. So here we go. I mean, I immediately started to lose confidence as soon as the price, if buyers lose this level. The price goes below here, I just lose confidence basically. But that shouldn't be the case, and that's fine. Because that means I'm having too much buyers on the buyer side. You know what I mean? I'm putting too much on them. Don't do that. We have no control. Just follow your stop loss, follow your rule. Nice! We got to close and we open here. Now my odds of this continuing going up has increased. So here we go. Wow, 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 wow. Come on. Let's go. This is definitely moving up to here. Likely, I should say. This is a probability game. I'm not here trying to predict. Nice. There's still wick here. We got to clear, guys. Damn. These sellers are still pushing it back down. Look at that. Look at the wick here. Okay, come on. Now buyers are going to need to step in here because now they finally claimed this level. So here we go. More buyers need to come in here. I'm willing to add right now. I'm going to add one more here. I'm going to add one more into that push down. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. They broke it. Oh my God. I didn't think buyers are going to lose this. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We need to be careful now. You need to be careful now. Come on. Buyers need to push back. Okay. Damn, they lost. They lost pretty bad. Yeah, this is so volatile today. Extremely volatile. By the way, like extremely volatile. Look at that. It didn't even breathe, bro. They didn't even allow that reaction to happen. So they just been getting baked. You know, baited, it looks like. But yeah, that's surreal. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We're going to be on the put side if he breaks here. But of course, it's still a buy until he breaks it. So let me go ahead and extend this out. Oops. Yo, look at that. Look how volatile SPY is today. Yo, y'all gotta be careful trading SPY today. I've never seen this before. Holy shit, we jumped really bad with our you know, P&L. And it did not even show it too. You guys noticed that? So there is something going on here. And that's fine. That's fine. So this would have been a call here, but of course that's not my call until he gets to the line. So I did not add that in. But look at that sudden switch up. Right? This green here, this is called engulfing candle, ain't it? Literally engulfed it. So this could be a huge major push down. Upcoming. All right, here we go. If we see a push right back up to this area, I'll be getting on the put side, of course. Now there's a fight on the VWAP here. I'm not going to be buying, on the VWAP, of course. I do want to see a break here. But of course, I will be buying it until he actually breaks it. Yo, that's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Look at this. Look how much this candle just got engulfed. Right? Buyers push it from this range as high to all the way to this range low. And now sellers just deleted them. Pushing the price all the way back down. Instantly. You didn't even I didn't even get a chance to even go to the sell side, bro. That's how much I got murdered on this trade. So very, very volatile today, guys. Very, very volatile. You want to be on the right side and, hover on the sell button, hover on your stop loss, or at least have the machine, not machine, the system, place a stop loss. You don't have to, because this is moving really fast. Normally, it's not the case. So we have an engulfing candle right now, as you guys can see here. Yep. It essentially engulfed this whole candle. So we're going to see what happens. We're going to see what happens here. That's it. What's up, Zakaria? How you been, bro? Here we go. Absolutely crazy trading experience today. But we need to experience this every day. Every day you show up in the market, it's going to teach you something. Today, we're trading volatility. This is the experience of trading volatility. We did miss our call here, that little dip here. We did miss it. So, shoot. Because it's moving so fast. So if this is not the kind of market that you're comfortable trading, don't trade today. Don't trade. Seriously, I mean, this is scary. Basically scary. So here we go. Okay, we're getting a push right back down again. So we're getting for that call. So here we go. I'm still gonna buy the call despite that I know that's because it's an engulfing candle. You can clearly see that it wants to push break out of this level. So you're slowly trying to accumulate these buyers here one by one. So we did miss our call here. This push up, we could have probably, our goal would have been, to at least sell the view up here had we were in on this call. And that's fine. So we're going to see what happens here. This candle just got engulfed. It's done. It's deleted. So this is going down. It's going to be falling rock. So I'm assuming, based on what I'm seeing, this could always change. Trading's probability here. You just look at all the information you need to. Oh, this would be a nice, beautiful sell here. This. Wish I didn't miss this call. But it's fine. I understood that was my plan. So HRT, nice job for following your plan. So everything has been going to our plan, by the way. Every trade, same thing. You know what I'm saying? This only trade, the only reason why we lost on this trade, we only turned into 61 was because I was not, quick to sell out. No, sorry, it's because the sudden move down, the volatility, it just didn't even give me time to go to the sell button, bro. Price went here and gapped up all the way here, really fast. So it's unfortunate, and that's the con, of course. There's pros and cons to having no stop loss. So you're gonna be you're gonna be the one doing the stop loss versus the system. There's pros and cons to each, and this is one of the con. But I do prefer to do the stop loss, like me clicking it instead of the system. I do like that. But in your early stage, maybe stick to having the system, canceling you out until you get the emotional maturity with trading. Come on. Gonna see what happens here. Wow. So do you notice how this wick here, this buyer's wick, it's not above the VWAP? I mean, they're struggling. They finally did it right now, but that tells you the level of fighting that the buyers are doing to just to bring it above the VWAP. And also tells you the level of, strength on the seller side is. That's what that's telling me right now. I really regret having not to miss this, but I gotta be on my toe. Like, hey, we're going to the next level. I gotta get ready to buy. Hey, we're going up here. Gotta da. So, and that's fine. We could have definitely, capture some of our, P&L here. We could have got it back to some level here. So we're gonna see what happens here. Are we gonna get a crack on this level? Are we gonna get a crack on this level? That's the question. So this is an engulfing candle. So we'll see what happens right now. We'll see what happens right now. Here we go. I'm getting another opportunity for this call here. But of course, because of this sudden change of direction here, look at this. Who's buying a call at this level? This one, I don't know. I don't know if I want to buy a call at this level, guys. But just follow your rule. Don't really matter. Yeah, based on my understanding of this, look at this, bro. What? So this level is probably going to get deleted, bro. But still follow your rule. You're going to buy the call until it's broken. That's it. Follow your rule. Done. But of course, as time goes, you start to recognize these candle patterns, and and then that can then gives you, the odds to see if this line's gonna get broken based on this information. That's a good thing. So we are gonna keep this in mind here, see what happens. Right? So buyers managed to at least push up a little bit outside of the VWAP, but they just got right back down. They got right back down. Of course, I can't buy the VWAP. Had the price gotten pushed up within here, I would have bought my put, of course, but it didn't. So now it looks like, here we go. Now the fight. The price came right back down to this level. Are we going to crack it? Okay, buyers pushed it back up. My goodness. So we're not in any buy or call right now. The price is just trading within the two zones, and there's nothing special about it. We're not in it right now on here on the call side. And so we can't also buy or place puts here in the VWAP. That's not a strategy. But those who are their strategy, I think they have their odds a bit high that they may not even go outside the VWAP. But that's not our strategy, so we're not going to do it. So here we go. Now the price came right to the VWAP. What's going to happen here? Shout out your predictions, guys. What's going to happen? They got pushed right back down. So we're going to see. I think this level might get beaten, but we'll see what happens here. Our goal is just to be on the right side. Just be on the right side. That's all. I'm gonna have this on this side here. Let's leave those two alone there. So here we go. Okay, I'm not gonna place a call here. Of course, that would be not following my rule to buy the call, because this information of the engulfing candle here, I'm gonna use that as an idea that it's as though sellers have already broken here, but I should still be buying the call though, of course. But I've made my decision. I'm not gonna buy a call here. That'd be literally not following my rule, which I did miss the call opportunity here again. Guys, this is what you're gonna go through. So I'm just narrating here. I'm being honest with you guys. This is what you guys are gonna go through. You still buy the call. Look at that. Still holding. But again though, we wait. Look at this candle closing. Right? Nice, beautiful uptick here. Seller stepped in and cleared this whole candle. And now we're here. So here we go. I think so too. There's no reason why SPY is like this, bro. I think some feds are speaking today. Let me just look that up real quick. This is weird. It's not weird. It's just today. That's just how the market is today. Literally. Look at that. We missed our call here. I'm out here switching, losing my confidence in my trading setup. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. Let me just search it up, see what's happening here. Okay, here we go. Is that VWAP retested after this engulfing candle closed? So see what happens here. If buyer's gonna go outside this VWAP, that'd be something to see. Let me just search it up real quick. Wow, look at that. Buyers are really holding tight to that VWAP, so they could potentially take over. So far, they still haven't broken outside of it. The buyers are showing really strength here. What's today's date? Today's the 7th. All right, cool. Today's Tuesday the 7th. So we got, okay, so we got the Minneapolis Fed President Cash Carey speaking today at 11:30. So right now it's all right. And we also got the consumer credit report today at 3 p.m. Very well. Could this be that? What's causing this level of volatility and SPY today? Okay, here we go. 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 Look at that. The VWAP retest and buyers said no, no. Sellers said no, no, no. You're going to go straight back down. So sellers are not strong enough to go outside of the VWAP. So this tells you the level of strength of this engulfing candle is. So here we go. Here we go. I will be surprised though if this price actually moves up. Understanding this engulfing candle, I will be surprised. But again, everything is all probability here. So here we go. Here we go. I think we're gonna see a push down below this line. The 2 minute is flat, huh? How about now? I mean, look at this wick right now. Look at that. Yeah, I'm not buying calls here. Ain't no way. I've accepted my fate. I'm not buying calls. I'm buying puts. Yeah, I'm gonna put my trust on this candle pattern. We see a crack, I'm going on the put side. Done. So if I do that, so that means that you do need to have my stop loss somewhere here. So if this is the line, this is the lowest it can crack. Look at the VWAP rejection, guys. Look at the VWAP rejection. So after this engulfing candle, who bought the VWAP? Who's doing that? I'm sorry, RIP. At least by the level where the buyers are at. I guess you can also argue that, the VWAP too, that's what also, that's the average price. But again, though, I mean, after this, major push down, here we go. Yeah, surprisingly, it did not turn red. So a lot of buyers needs to be cleared here. It's either that or the price just wants to hold this level until certain timing happens. So we're gonna see what happens here. But so far, of course, this level is still a buy. Of course, I know we're saying that we're not gonna be buying it. It's because of I don't want to go against this, candle pattern. And if I'm wrong, that's fine. And let the price continue to move up, that's fine. That means I can just buy here. That's fine. Whoa, look at that. Buyers, just look at that. This is the second or third attempt. They're coming back to the VWAP. Ooh, they cleared the VWAP. Whoa, shout out to the buyers. That's shocking. Yeah. You said what? Channel moneymakers keeping it in, huh? This is a channel moneymaker. Perhaps that's the case, until one of the Fed speakers are done speaking, or until then, it's 11:30. So we'll see what happens here. How SPY holds up ultimately. I mean, buyers did manage to go just outside of the VWAP this time, instead of as the first attempt they failed. The second attempt, they managed to come back. I thought after they failed that, the first attempt, as the price was cooling all the way down, that's gonna turn red and just go. It's expected, but we'll see what happens here. Of course, this level is still a buy until it gets cleared. Still a buy until it gets cleared. Keep that in mind. I know I said that, and yet I'm literally going against it by not buying it. It's because of, I guess I'm losing confidence in my own, my own, when I see my strategy, I'm being honest here. And, but yeah, that shouldn't be the case. Follow your rule until. I guess the whole, this whole, what's it called? This P&L here. This little push down just kind of triggered my emotion. So, ooh, shout out to them. Shout out to them. Wow. Are they gonna engulf this red candle? That'd be so cool to see. Here we go. They're coming to this level. Of course, I'm gonna be buying a put. Hell yeah. That's just how it works. That's just my strategy. So here we go. Here we go. It's already right here. So I'm gonna be buying a put here. I'm gonna go ahead and activate this. Gonna go ahead and place it right here. So the price comes within here. I'll be placing my put. Of course, you know I am gonna be going against all this. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So this will be my put right here. Okay, so it's got pushed right back down to the VWAP. So here we go, here we go, here we go. Now it's not as volatile for some weird reason, but still volatile though. We're gonna see what happened, guys. Let us just sit back and be patient and just observe. If we get our setup, we'll take it. We will take it. You know, instead of putting this line, I'm just gonna put this in, so I know how far I can go to. How about that? Remove. So these are the two. We put here until it gets cleared. Buy here until it gets, pushed down. That's it. That's it. What is gonna happen? Ooh, look at that. Look at the seller's pressure that pushed it all the way back down. But yet buyers still trying to move it up. Oh wow, okay. So we have a wick of rejection on the VWAP ultimately, and now the price opening here. So okay, so I mean this level's still strong. This level's still a buy until it gets broken, of course. But yeah, look at this. Look at the level of pressure that the buyers went to on their second attempt of the close here. So right now this candle got closed with a wick. Sellers pushed it down. Sellers what? Pushed it down. Having it, the fight be closed right here below this line. So here we go, here we go, here we go. Are sellers gonna take over this level and bring it, crack it? Still a buy. I'm tempted to get on the buy right now just because it hasn't cracked yet. Even though I'm scared to do that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and buy on one call here. Following my rule. Don't care. Don't be scared. You're right and wrong. It's not based on how do I say that word? What you cannot control, Just follow your rule and that's it. That's it. That's it. Okay, I bought in one call here as we got dipped to the line here. So we're gonna see if we're gonna this time do this similar test that we did here. Again, this level's still a call. I know I got nervous and all that stuff earlier. I still didn't, buy the call. But I gotta be honest with you guys. Trading is emotion. You guys have seen what the heck happened here. This is my strategy, and I got phased. There, I said it. All right, HRT, you gotta work on that. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. But this time I followed my rule, and it happens to maintain my direction. That's fine. But of course, as we can see here, every time we enter on the call side, we're not making that funny money. I don't know what's going on. Even when I enter on the put side, but whenever I'm wrong on the trade, suddenly there's a large gap in the P&L. Like what the heck? So there's certainly something I gotta fix up with my system here. Certainly here. So I should have sold here that one contract at that VWAP level, but of course, I want to sell it here. I wish I had two so I can at least sell one out the fight on the VWAP. but my main thing should be levels to levels, where I buy and sell. The only time I take consideration in selling the VWAP if there's like a huge level of a lot of stuff going on the VWAP, like today. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes I do give a little weight to, selling on the VWAP. Sometimes I don't. I only have one contract right now and I bought it at the level. That's fine. I'm willing to allow it if we can crack the VWAP to sell here. If we don't, that's fine. We can come back down. I'll add more. And if we go back to the VWAP and I'll get ahead and get that second one out, we're going to see until we break the VWAP. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens here. That's it. That's our plan. That's our plan. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yep, sellers are still showing pressure on the VWAP. You can see the pressure here. Top wicks are sellers' pressure. Bottom wicks are buyers' pressure. Okay, so while we at this, let's look at it another time. What's it called? Let's entertain ourselves using looking at the 5 minute and the 2 minute just to kind of gauge it, see the difference. See anything we're missing here. Let's go to the. I don't want my attention to go away from here though. Gotta be careful with that. Oh yeah, I don't even have the 5 minute. Yeah, we're not gonna do that, bro. We're gonna keep our focus here. We're trying to make funny money here. So here we go, here we go, here we go. We gotta push up to the VWAP. We got that rejection. And now the fight is right here. Now switch to red. It may push right back down to here. We've still got a lot of wicks at this level. So here we go, here we go, here we go. Now we wait. Is it the longest stream that I've been on? Feels like it. I'm usually done by this time. The longest trade I've been in, probably. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on. We missed that opportunity to add one more to that push down, so we might get it again. Okay, come on. Need more push down so I can add more at least. And then after that, go back up. Right? I'm like telling what the market should do. But don't fall in love with that though. Because you can't control the market. Just make the decision based on what the market is doing. Use the market as your assistant, basically. Assistant is telling you something. All right, cool. What's the update? All right, cool. Sounds good. Just like that. So yeah. So we had an opportunity for that push down here. I didn't feel too confident about it adding more. It's because it was like right here. You know what I mean? But we ultimately did run right back up. So could have definitely added. So and it doesn't matter. So I'm following that one plan. So if we have one contract and if we do manage to win the VWAP and go out to here, I'll get that one contract out and I'll switch it to the selling side for this level and see if we're gonna move right back down. Right? So here we go. We don't normally move like this, so there's certainly something going on, the Weeble. And that's fine, I'll figure it out. What do you think is gonna happen, guys? What's up, GBZ? What's your prediction? Oh yeah, Mikey did ask about what's it called? About gap. Opening gaps. So gaps are essentially where the price closed on the previous day and then where it opened the following day. And there's a big gap in between that, right? That's a gap. Either on the up or down. That's the simplest way to explain that. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm tempted to add one more here. Still liked it all the way down a bit. But yeah, that is gap. That is gap. There's a lot of different strategies that people use to trade gap. Gap trading is a whole different strategy than what I do. So you can definitely look into it and see that's something you would like to look into as a starter strategy. trading gaps. And as well as gap fill, you know what I'm saying? Once the price retraces back down, you know, that empty gap. So here we go, here we go. Our buyers, oh, look at that. Buyers hold it really tight. Damn, they took over that VWAP. Oof. At least I'm on the right side this time. Well, I actually had been on the right side. I was a bit more cautious to add more as we were seeing more push down. So here we go. Our buyers gonna finally take over, not just take over, but like clear the VWAP. Are they gonna do that? You know, right now they're holding above the VWAP, so that's a good sign. And yet, look at our contract, bro. $5, and we've entered it right here. What is going on? Oh shit! I know what's going on. Because for some reason today's contract is so cheap. He said trade the trend. Yeah, I see why now. So I could have added two to make it one contract. That's how cheap this thing is, isn't it? But yet, why was I losing that much then? Every time I goes to my stop loss, why was it that much? So very weird. So you said trade the trend. So what trend are you seeing that I'm not seeing, bro? Are you saying the trend is in like this channel here? Or, come on, give me some description here, bro. So we are getting this push up here. So I do gotta prepare to get at least one of this contract out. I have to recognize that. Just gonna get out now. It's fine. It's probably gonna go outside of here. It's fine. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Wow, now we actually got to our selling point. I just sold a little too early in it. So here we go. Now it's going to be an opportunity to buy, of course, put until it breaks. Of course, I understand what I'm going against. I went ahead and added one put right now. So here we go. And I'm going to add more put into the line. So 1, 2. And so we're now, okay, if we go outside of it, I'm out. Come on. Can we see it drop back down? And I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. Okay, cool. So I wanted to see that wick is gonna happen again. So this is now a call. This is officially a call now. So I probably just gave back my. How does that work? Oh wait, that's about the same. That's fine. So just $10. All right, cool. So now it's a call. It's a call. It's a call. It's a call. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, can we see a push down so I can get on the call now? And I'm gonna get in one more. I'm getting one right there. Come on, get another one right there. Come on, get in the zone right there. Oh man, it's so volatile. I'm like literally missing it, bro. If it go outside below the zone, I'm out basically. You know? But it's like every time I enter, there's just that gap. So here we go. It's officially a call. It went all the way up. It shot up. So here we go. This is seller's second line of defense here. So second to last. So our buyer's gonna clear this. Seriously? On the 2-minute? Well, I guess that's probably explains why this sudden push up all of a sudden happened. So I can see that. He said, check the 2-minute flat and shut up. Damn. So we're gonna see here. We do have our stop loss below this zone, so we're fine. I know. We are fine. So right now we're essentially 1.5 contract in, basically based on you know my usual contract. I don't know why this is like this today, but it's fine. Yeah. Okay, here we go. We went in the zone now. We're in the zone. I'm gonna go ahead and buy one more. Are we gonna crack the zone, or we have to just, if we crack the zone, the little orange, we're out, basically. So right now, this is the high. This is the high. We're literally trading the high right now. We're above the high, the pre-market high. This is not no random level. This is not just a random wick level. This is also the high of the pre-market. So let us give the respect that it does. That's why I added one more. So now this is seller's second line of defense. This is their last line of defense. So if buyers can clear this, let's go. Let's go. I think your boy is probably done speaking or something. But yeah, this was definitely controlled. Can we end the day with green? You know the difference today when I'm trading, despite this level of volatility, I'm still calm and relaxed. So this tells me my level of mental agility and mental strength have increased so much that it's not bothering me anymore. Wow. I paid the price for this though, for this experience. I paid the price by showing up every single day. Literally, I showed up every day. Today, it's probably the best experience I've had with trading. Okay, here we go. Just because I've recognized my mental strength have really increased. I'm able to, continue the trading with this level of change ups and this level of volatility and all that stuff. So I gotta shout out to HRT here. Damn, it's just still 15 bucks. Just damn. I'm not seeing no funny money today. Oh, we got really nice, beautiful pickup at the line. I'm just gonna get one out. I am on 3 calls, so I'm just gonna get 4. Let me just get one out here. Just because we got so tight to it. So tempted to get one more out. But I'm not basing on the P&L though. I'm just, ooh, let's go. Should probably hold on to it. Okay, I'm gonna leave these 2 alone. I don't think we're gonna end the day with the green though, based on what the heck is going on with that P&L. I don't understand it. Don't understand it at all. Like literally, I don't understand it. And I'm on 0. DT, bro. Very, very strange day. Very strange day, and that's fine. We'll figure this out. So I went ahead and sold here. A little bit cooled off my position just because it's seller's second line of defense. But of course, so you can still hold here just because of the level of power you have on your side. I appreciate you, bro, GBC. For real, for real. Do appreciate that. So here we go. Wow. Buyers took over that level. And now they're going straight to the, seller's last defense here. Seller's last defense. I'm going to go ahead and cool one off because I'm not trying to go against that battle. No way, no way. This is seller's last defense here. Absolute. They're crushing the sellers right now. Here we go. Already showed the wick, but yet the price is so attached to that high of that wick. So that means the profit taking is probably going to occur here. Oh, let's go. They cracked it. Oh, my goodness. Sellers just got destroyed at that level. Oh, wow. We were on the right side of the trade. So that's what's important. I'm just going to go ahead and get out. That's what I was supposed to sell anyway. So unfortunately, for whatever the reason today, we're not ending out with a green. I know I should have hold. I know this is definitely a hold. I know. Just focus on just, get the thingy on red, bro. Get off red. But you're right, bro. That's something I got to work on that side. I hit a milestone today in the sense that I'm able to still have a mental strength to continue trading this with the volatility like this. But now I do have to do that. I should have hold here. But I just wanted to get this P&L to the green. But by doing that, of course, I am putting some money off the table, of course, right? So here we go. The price got really back down after it cracked here on seller's last defense. Some profit taking occurred here, and now the price got right back down here. So this is still a buy, of course. This level you can definitely buy. Hold and move your stop. Done. That's what I'm gonna do going forward, bruv. Look what we missed here. Yeah, I'm gonna going forward. I'm gonna go ahead and tweak my stop losses, bruv. Damn. Look at this gorgeousness. So we did left money on the table. Unfortunately, we do have to close for the day. You know what I'm saying? We do have to close for the day. It's unfortunate, but I think we trade very well today, all right? I gotta shout out to HRT. We did trade well. That was a fun trade, low key. No, seriously, guys, I really do appreciate you guys for trading with me today. That's actually pretty cool. Use real stop loss. Done. I just don't know how I'm gonna do that here. I'll figure it out. I will figure it out. So that I'm able to just slowly move it. But the thing is, right now I am using what's it called, Thinkorswim for the chart. So it's gonna be hard to do that with the Webull here that I'm using on the side. So wait, I have no idea what I'm doing, bro. So I will figure out a way. I do appreciate this advice, bro. Use real stop loss, and as well as move your and have that strategy. I can move it up. So if I had that 4 contract in, bro, right now it would have been a green day. But your boy was just trying to get that away from that 62. Trying to green as possible, but it's fine. And also a combination of like there's a whole delay with our, with that. So it's fine. It's fine. We're gonna fix that part. We're gonna fix that part. But overall, I gave myself great trading experience today. Good job, HRT. For real, for real. I think you did well today. Of course, there's still a lot of improving to do, and that's what we're gonna be doing. So here we go. So right now, I wish I kind of traded here because this is that trend line that I drew, but of course, I wasn't really feeling huge confident about it. So we'll see here how confident that that trend is. Yo, how confident is this trend? What do you think? Tap, tap. A tap here when he went underneath. So, and also right now. So looks like some level of respect there, at least. So if you look on the 30-minute, probably better to see it. See that? Just can do tap, tap here when he went underneath it, and now it's really coming right to it. Look at that! Oh my goodness. Yo guys, I do appreciate it. I do appreciate you guys' feedback on this. So let us go ahead and go to our P&L real quick, and ultimately just end the day, because trading, it's we just gotta just end the day. We can't just keep trading. I think we did well today. We did well. It's unfortunate we had to close that red, but it is what it is. We did good. So here we go. So 5-7 today. Come on. Damn, it was a win day, but of course, based on P&L following along, is an L day. That's it. That's it. But mentally, I think I've won this. I've won trading today, so that means going forward, it's gonna be dope. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. What was P&L here? $35. Damn. All right. $35. Did we face a lot of indecision today? Oh, -35. Did we face a lot of indecision today? I don't think we did, because it wasn't like back and forth. We didn't really experience that, did we? No, I don't think we did. It was just a solid trading. It just went broke. It's I don't think it was good. It's not the one where I was like keep switching every time. So, and so yeah, we're fine. We're fine. So I'm gonna say no to that. No indecision we faced. Yesterday, I believe I did, it looks like. All right, cool. So it's unfortunate. We're down for the week, $22. All right, we're down for the week, $22. So that is what's up right now. That's what's up, and that's fine. We're gonna keep trading here. We're gonna record everything. So we're at 50% right now today. All right, so that's fine. That's fine. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right, cool. I do appreciate you guys for joining. I do also appreciate you guys for what's it called, for the advices and suggestion. So I really do appreciate that. So we're gonna go ahead and call it a day, and I look forward to you guys joining me tomorrow. HRT out.